Education Society, redefining excellence.
A project presented by PVL Group G10 Simple Door Security Alarm System, guided by Professor P.S. Shinde, and the team members are Akash Burude, Sakshi Sangpa, Vaibhav Zadav, and Manvi Limkar.
Introduction. As the number of crimes are increasing every day, there are to be something that will keep us safe. We are all aware of the high end security system present in the market, but they are not easily available to everyone. We therefore intend to provide a solution by constructing a cost efficient electronic system that has the capability of sensing the motion of the intruders and setting off the alarm. Components required in this project: IR LED, IR receiver, resistor, LED bulb, 9 volt or 12 volt battery, screw terminals, buzzer, and PCB board.
Working. This is the basic sensitive and activated alarm system. The circuit is very sensitive and can get sound when sensed on object. The transmitter and the receiver, which are connected in positive and negative terminal of the 9 volt battery. The LED and buzzer is connected between receiver and battery. One resistor is connected between transmitter and battery. When an object is dedicated goes on, a buzzer makes sound.
The given system is handy and portable and thus can be easily carried from one place to another. The circuitry is not that complicated and can be easily troubleshooted. The given system sets off a powerful buzzer and it operates as any other alarm system available at the
Disadvantages. First, the alarm system are expensive. They don't protect your privacy. Security system are poor and poor prevention. Fourth point, the given alarm system determine the presence of inductor only and does not determine how many persons are in there actually.
Conclusion: we have designed a home security alarm system which is handily portable, cost effective as well. Such alarm systems are usually in demand for security purposes, and thus the given system can be proved useful and effective in view of the above features.